That's why you should hang an old sock on your trees today. It might look strange at first, but once you see what's inside, you'll understand why so many gardeners use this trick. First, grab an old sock, preferably one you're about to throw away. Now take a small container, add 2 tablespoons of ground coffee. Next, add 1 tablespoon of cayenne pepper. Now sprinkle in half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Then add about 10 whole cloves. Finally, pour in 1 tablespoon of vinegar. Mix everything thoroughly until it's evenly combined. Now open the sock and carefully spoon the entire mixture inside. Once it's full, twist the open end tightly so the ingredients stay packed together while the aromas can still slowly escape through the fabric. If you'd like, tie the end with a piece of string to keep everything secure. Now hang the sock from a branch on your favorite fruit tree or anywhere insects tend to gather. As the scents gradually spread into the surrounding area, they help discourage insects from lingering around the tree and feeding on leaves, flowers, or developing fruit. Because the mixture stays inside the sock, it's less likely to wash away immediately or scatter across the ground, allowing the aroma to last longer than if the ingredients were simply sprinkled around the base of the tree. When the smell begins to fade, usually after rain or a couple of weeks, replace the mixture with a fresh batch to keep it effective. If you found this useful, save this video so you can make it later.